Would you say you're frustrated?
Rotate.
Extraordinarily frustrated.
Okay, now I've done this before.
When I was looking at this situation,
Okay.
I thought frustration seemed to describe this
Yay.
from your son's point of view.
That looks
and from
really
your
big.
point of view.
You know, I bet I can stick it back on
So
there.
much so that
Okay.
I went and looked it up and wrote it down and made a graphic to emphasize.
Okay, so
Say frustrated.
here it is. I got it.
Feeling of being upset or annoyed,
Now.
especially because of the inability to change.
Okay, so
And synonyms
that one is still up. The one in the room is still up. Blah blah. I already triggered this. Okay, so at least if a fire starts, you know, I got 3 other smoke alarms. None of that's happened yet in the 20 years I've lived here, but since the stalking, who knows?
Those don't seem to fit anywhere in the 4 walls of this home.
But I'm not afraid, so if it happens, it happens.
Every time I try
At least I'll be with God, right?
and ask questions.
Hopefully I won't feel myself if I'm being burned alive. Okay, well, let's just pray I'm not cremated to ashes. Okay, so I got this so far. Okay, see you later.
Take care.